Good morning, guys. The working continues. Well, not for everyone. Just there's a few people who live here who also work to help reduce their what do you call it? Their bills, their rent. Yes, we're just talking with Tobias, the owner of this place. He's a nice guy, interesting, eccentric kind of guy, but interesting. I like him. We're just talking about painting the room next to Yes and mine with some clay paint. Apparently, it has all these amazing properties like moisture absorption and the acoustics, and like they don't get that smoky scent if you smoke in there. Also got some tea here. Just picked up this speaker. I forgot it yesterday, and I got paid 25. We made a deal with the people who ate pizza yesterday. They all paid 25 each, and that way I don't have to pay for pizza for like 10 people. I ended up making pizza for like, I don't even know, like 5-6 hours maybe. It was kind of crazy. I made like 10-11 pizzas yesterday. And tomorrow, I'm not even gonna get into it. You'll see tomorrow. Let's just focus on today. Yes has a Dutch female friend coming over. So we're just cleaning up and tidying up. And I think we're gonna go to the sauna again tonight. Like, I'm just so in love with the sauna, honestly, man. Every time I go to the sauna, I'm like, why don't I do this every day? What's wrong with me? And then I just kind of get out of it, and I become like, I don't know, man. I'm not down for the sauna. I'm too tired. I'm too this. I'm too that. There's a bunch of beers in here. Yes, it's gone shopping, I guess. Ooh, gummies. Oh, I love wine gums. Let's go. Yes, I ended up hanging out with Daniel all day, a resident here, and now I've been in the kitchen. I've been making sushi, bunch of sushi. Yes, has a friend over. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Just been hanging out, being sociable today. About to eat something delicious, and tomorrow I have to get up way early. I may end up pulling an all-nighter or something like that. Oh well, let's eat. Yes is hanging out in the room next to this one with his Dutch friend. Me and her may go in the sauna later. I don't know if she's up for it. I want to go to the sauna again, and I think I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. Yeah, I probably am. Yeah. Okay, let's just do it. Another all-nighter. But first, sushi. Hey. Itadakimasu. Good morning, guys. Headed to the train station. We're going to Copenhagen today. Going to Natja and Jason. I don't know why Mike's mom keep having Mike moved, or there's been some shit about the gravesite. Maybe it's not up to his mom, but he's already been moved twice, and now they're gonna move his ashes again to his own dedicated gravesite. So I'm gonna attend, and then I'm gonna go home with Natja and Jason afterward, play some dinosaur game with Jason. He's been looking forward to that. And he's also quite interested in my eggs. He wants to know, because dinosaur eggs are amazing, right? But bird eggs, they're pretty cool too. You know, they're related to dinosaurs and all that. Here we are. Let's go meet up with Natcha and Jason. Så er bussen her, kom.
Nu?
Ja, vi skal med her.
Nu?
Ja.
Yes. No. No. Og slutter ikke.
Ja, no, jeg slutter ikke.
Må du sidde bagerst? Du skal opføre dig ordentligt, Jason. Vi skal lige købe den først. Man kan ikke bare spise den. Ja?
Ikke? Men
Vi skal lige købe den først.
man kan ikke bare lige spise den nu.
Nej, det kan man ikke. Man skal først betale for den. Nej?
Jeg er tør. Ja. Så hold fast i den. Så hold fast i snoren, og så fisk lidt i den.
Så, okay.
Sådan, så ligger far dernede.
Så må man også godt smide lidt jord på, og sådan, ellers gør jeg det bare helt for en selv.
Vil du være med til med at...
Skal vi lægge en håndfuld jord på? Ja. Kom, Jason. Vi tager en håndfuld.
Tag en håndfuld, og så...
Og så lægger vi den.
Vil du prøve det? Har du det? Ja. Helt vel.
Og det hjælper også.
Det var ikke, det var det.
Scan.
Det er du.
Jeg kan altid hjælpe.
Det er godt.
Ja, men den var der ikke den dag, jeg var nok. Jeg tror, den har ligget under bladene eller sådan noget. Jeg skal også have noget.
Ja, ja tak.
Jason! Kom her. Det lugter ballade mere.
People are starting to leave. I played a bunch with the kids. It's been a nice day. A brief one. We only stayed here for like an hour and a half or so. But it's a beautiful final resting site. About time too. I think it's kind of been hard on everyone to have him moved. But now it's done. The gravesite is paid for, and yeah, he's not gonna be moving anymore. Finally, he can have some peace. Even if that is the last thing he would want. He was not a peaceful person. Vi skal herind. Next train. Der er godt fyldt op i dag, hva'? Lad os komme herind. Derovre. Næste dør. Kom, Jason. Skynd dig. Let's see, I haven't tried these before. I heard they're pretty good. Spicy.
De er ikke...
Er det ikke beskidte?
Nej. Ikke bare...
Du har majs til.
Bare en skulle jeg have.
Ja, du har. godt den her.
Okay, det var de sidste. Hey, vent på mig! Kysten er så op og sten, og så ned i myreturen her.
Nu falder det bliver brugt på mange måneder på samme.
Det kan ikke gå så mange mere.
Ja, de har brugt rigtig lang tid på det her.
Jeg er med at hente mad.